Hello, welcome back to my channel. I today unboxing the Adidas Falcon. I've got them lately on site and I want to unbox them, and I've got funny color which is more colorful than others, and I've got them in size 9. I hope they fit. So yeah, let's see. They come in this box and let's take it out. So here is the box, and here's the tag. I've got Falcon size 9, orange, black and yellow. Ta-da! Let's open. Here. See. Okay, this is US 9. It looks like so very cute. Do you see? So this part is made from fake leather, I think. This one. Here we have Adidas logo. This part is made from suede. This is also suede, but different kind, I think. And this suede. And this part is leather color and suede here. Adidas logo. So yeah, this is, they are really cute. I really like these colors. They are bright and very springy, spring appropriate. And they have black laces, which is nice because they will be not visible when they get dirty. And this laces seems to be more thicker than in other Falcon shoes, but maybe it's just my impression, I don't know. Yeah, I really like this color combination, and this color yellow neon is really in style lately, and I don't know why, but I get a few things with this color lately. So I will do another unboxing maybe in next videos. And this part is painted. This is more gray and this is more white. And the bottom looks like so. So yeah, really cute. Inside they have this color green, and this part is violet. So yeah, this is how they look. Let's try them all. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such unboxing. If you do, then don't forget thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.